Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making the Nigerian moi-moi, and the ingredients we're going to be needing is our beans, our sugar, fresh pepper and onions, hairy fish. We'll also be needing vegetable oil, crayfish, our salt and our seasoning cubes, our fresh leaves for wrapping. So now we are going to fill a bowl with enough water. Okay, fill it to the brim and allow it to soak for 30 minutes to 1 hour. This is 1 hour later, and this is how our beans looks like. Now we're going to transfer to a bigger bowl so that we can wash easily. Now you add water again, and then you start to squeeze. Alternatively, you can pound gently in a mortar. Squeeze thoroughly with both hands to remove the peels. Continue to squeeze till the peels are completely removed from the beans pod. Okay, so after that, we're going to be rinsing the beans out. Now we're going to strain to separate the peels from the beans itself. Remember to repeat this process till the peels are completely removed. Okay, and now we're going to transfer our beans into a bowl for grinding. So in this video, I won't be showing where this beans was blended because I actually used the commercial blending machine. Okay, so now we're going to add our pepper, our sugar, add our crayfish, everything we'll be needing, including our onions. We're going to add our onions as well, and then we're going to scrape or peel our ginger to remove the thick bark. Alright, so after scrubbing or scraping it, then you have to add the ginger, and then our beans is ready to blend. Alright, so then we're going to add our fish in a pot. Alright, and then we add our thyme, our curry powder. Then we're going to also add our onions, and then we're also going to be adding salt. Right, make sure you're not putting too much quantity, and then our seasoning cube is also not going to be left out. Okay, so after adding that, we're also going to add the dried rosemary. Okay, all these are to season our fish to give us a very good stock, and also our dried onions, the whites. We also added the dried onions, the purple. Okay, so and then we're also going to be adding a little water for it to boil. Cover and allow to simmer for 10 minutes, and this is 10 minutes later. Our fish is ready. Alright, so now next we are going to remove the bones from the fish. I'm going to reduce the sizes into smaller pieces. Now don't forget to wash your wrapping leaves, as we're going to be washing this thoroughly with clean water or in a running water. Pour water into your pot and cover and allow to boil. Remember, this is the water we're going to be using to cook our moi-moi. Now our beans have been blended. We added salt. We also added sliced onions. Okay, and now we're also going to be adding our vegetable oil. Some persons call it groundnut oil. You can also use soya bean oil and whatever oil you prefer. And now we're going to be pouring our boneless fish. Okay, and also we won't be forgetting to add our fish water, which is our stock. Alright, so after adding all this, we are also going to add in our seasoning cubes, and after that you can add extra water if necessary. Try to check before adding water so you can regulate its thickness, and then we have to stir very thoroughly. Stir very well to make sure it mixes very well. I added added extra oil and water because I discovered it was still a little bit tough, and then I stirred again. Open the pores of the boiling water, then you need to add something to prevent the moi-moi from touching the bottom of the pot, alright? Because when you touch the bottom of the pot, it can actually make the moi-moi get burnt. You can add anything. You can add the lid of a pot, you can add the plantain stem, whatever you want to add. You can even add the wrapping leaves, alright? Now you're going to start folding, but firstly make sure you are using double leaves, okay, so you can wrap properly. Then fold and fold again, then bend to secure the bottom, alright? Then you can pour your moi-moi beans from the top region. Also fold again and secure the upper parts, alright? Now you have to start dropping it in the pots one by one. Make sure there is no excess water and water doesn't exceed the lid so that it doesn't spoil your moi-moi, okay? And that's the essence of putting that beans. Arrange all, and as you can see, I'm done wrapping all the moi-moi. I have to cover, and I will allow to cook for about 1 hour or cook for about 45 minutes, 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes, depending on the level of heat and whatever I'm using to wrap my moi-moi, okay? This is 1 hour later and our moi-moi is ready. Ta-da! So let's see how our moi-moi looks, alright? So now we're going to be unwrapping our moi-moi. So gently, because it's actually hot, wrap your moi-moi. It was smelling so nice, like so inviting, so tantalizing. Isn't how it looks? See how yummy it looks now. I wouldn't lie, this moi-moi was so delicious. For real, it was so delicious. Would you be trying this? If you will, please let me know in the comment section, and when you're done, tell me how it tasted, okay? And I'm very sure you'll be glad